Meghalaya's valiant heroes, Singh, Iphieng and Pathokan and Sngi, who paid the price we can never repay. Just so we could live a fulfilled life and whose indomitable spirit continues to inspire us. An Independence Day is incomplete without paying our heartfelt tribute to the contribution and selfless sacrifice of our armed forces, police, fire and emergency services, whose unwavering dedication safeguards our nation and its people. Meghalaya's story is deeply woven into India's national progress and growing global presence. As a state, we have been contributing to propel India's economic growth and development further as a state in that direction.